If you want to connect Salesforce to Google Calendar, then here's what you're going to do. This synchronization is primarily handled by Einstein Activity Capture. So first thing, we are going to enable our EAC. A Salesforce administrator must go to Setup and enable Einstein Activity Capture, and we can do that by clicking on the settings key right here at the top right corner of the screen. Just click on that and then select Open Advanced Setup. Now from the Advanced Setup, you're just going to click on Quick Find, and then we're going to search for Einstein Activity Capture. We're going to make sure that our spelling is correct, and then we're going to click on settings right here. We're going to make sure that this one is enabled, and then from there you can see this connection to Salesforce section wherein we can connect our Google G Suite. So we can do user level authorization, and then it will be automatically set up. So you can see here that we can enable this one. So just click on enable, and then you can also see the connection status notification, so you'll be able to do that. And then you can also click, or you can just toggle this include Google Meet details on Google Events. When sales reps create events in Salesforce, the details go to Google Meet as well, and all of that stuff, and then you will be able to sync your Salesforce calendar as well. Now once all of this are toggled on and set up, your Google account will be automatically integrated with your Salesforce account. And that's it. That is how you can connect Salesforce to Google Calendar. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.